So guys, now we are going to discussing about a system hacking with AI. So what is in a system hacking we can discuss? In a system hacking we can discuss like a creating of APK files and get as an reverse shell and Windows files as exe files, Linux files and get as an reverse shell. So now we are going to perform even in a system hacking like clearing the tracks and cracking the passwords like a using like Hydra and John the Ripper and many other things. So now let's we would like to look also like Encrack, Medusa, and much more things. So once you have look it out here, like where we would like to look here in this like a password attacks. We would like to look like a Civil, Crunch, Hashcat, Hydra, John, Medusa, Encrack, OPH crack, and Wanderlust. So we are now have we can achieve anything else with this. So now we would like to perform SSH brute force attack using a shell GPT, otherwise a chat GPT. So we would like to come back here. So this is my a victim machine as a event two. Then I have allowed everything like a port like 2120. So just for a cracking as a demo purpose only. So now we would like to utilize here as you would like to put here as a SGPD. You just put here as a exactly like this. Use a Hydra to perform a search brute force on targeted IP address 192.168.18.72 using a user.txt and password.txt where the files available are the location. So you just need to mention, otherwise if you not yet mention also it does not matter. We just try to execute this. Now that will start and crack the password instantly. That's it here. So this is the password of combinations. It will solve immediately. So even you can try here as a SSH with a PCPL and enter your password. So you have login successfully. Now just type here as ID where you would like to go here as a PCPL. Now I just type here as exit. Now I would like to go for as now as we would like to go for as now as a FTP. Let's you just mention here as FTP. You can look here. Let's go here. It will also crack the password without taking a much time because I already created a usernames and passwords here. So in the Hydra place, you can mention choice is your wish. Like you would like to go to here password, so you can use a Medusa. Now I can mention as a Medusa. Now we can try here as a FTP, enter your target IP address as a and enter the password. So you have login here as successfully. So it will take a lengthy time process. So I just don't need everything. So I just type here as a exit. So once this is done, now I would like to put here as a clear. Now I would like to use here as now I tried as Hydra. Now I would like to try as a Encrack. Encrack. You can look here. What is the results we can get here? Encrack port 21 user details and password. Then you try to for as execute. Now it will try to for execution. Encrack services is scanned and Encrack is finished. So where you can see here the username and password. It's simple as easy way to crack. Now if you want to try as a FTP, otherwise any type of a brute force, so it's simple way. We just need to write as a simple prompt here as a SSH. That's it. Now it will try to go for as execution. No, in this case, port, you can mention what type of port you need to crack. So with AI, you can do a multiple things. So that's why AI is more dangerous. So you can see the password is cracked. Now we would like to go here as, let me just type as clear. I would like to go here as a Medusa. Medusa. think let me, I would like to look here as a Medusa to perform. So we would like to look here as a Medusa. So Medusa hosts with the 192.168.18.72 and it's Q minus M for as a type. It's for as such. Now it will check in the Medusa all the right things. We would like to look here. But in this case, we hard to understand this Medusa. Encrack is the best. And we would like to look here as I would like to utilize now as OPH crack. I just put here as we can see here, try to execute. So it not execute here anything else. That's it here. I just type here, it's clear. So the better way is try to get as this one as a Hydra. Hydra is the best one to crack. So it's a simple way to crack the password. As simple, that's it. So there is like a multiple things like a dictionary attacks and in the dictionary attacks, the file is loaded for tracking applications and run against the user account. This dictionary is a text file that contains several dictionary words, commonly used as password. The program uses a word present in a dictionary to find a password in addition to stand a dictionary and attackers and dictionaries contain entries with a number of symbols or expressions. So to crack a successfully the passwords. So this way you can do the with a shell GPT using this one. That's it here.